he's very near to becoming one of the multi-millionaires club member of GFM.
Yes.
Kilala natin siya lahat. Kahit galing sa call center industry. Okay lang ba? Pagbigyan natin si Miss Joanna Dagohoy ulit, i-intro siya.
Yes.
Kesa gumamit tayo music.
Yes.
So are you ready, Miss Joanna? Take the floor.
So, sabayin niyo ako kapag, syempre alam niyo itong kantang to eh, sabayin niyo na lang ako.
Yes.
Tsaka intindihin niyo yung message ng song. I can almost see it, the dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying, you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My head is shaking, but